To get you started with the new 1.7 edition and some of these new capabilities which we're keen to share with you and work with you on, we've created this demo application. So the first thing you'll notice is that in the foreground is where the toolbar with these items in it and the logo are present. So if you're wondering how this all hangs together, the secret is the foreground, and the foreground has these actions. So this is how it knows to change page when I click on the toolbar items. And if I go back to my pages, we've applied that foreground to every page. So if we run this application now and I change between my pages, you can see I'm getting a crossfade to each of those sections. Now with the 3D model here, we've loaded a 3D model, and you can see some instructions or some information beside here on the right that kind of I guess highlight how this works. We have a 3D model converter, and we've put a series of different models in that folder for you to play with, and we will be getting you a version of the model converter so you can convert your own Unity files. We've included a panorama just as an example, and this panorama could also host a 3D model inside it and a ground plane if you need one. Then in the game kit, what we can do here is reinitialize the game kit. So this is code that is triggering these three different models. The sphere is created dynamically, the 3D model is loaded of the character, and then the ladybird is brought in as well. And if we trigger this globe press event, you can see it's, for example, changing the texture in this case on that globe. If we go through to GameKit 2, and very soon there's a game that you'll be able to see and experience there that we're just testing out the script for. And the neat thing is, as soon as we save that, Magic will appear in your instance as well. And finally, here's Custom 360, which is just a really cool little simple script that you can use to understand and see how the custom component system works. And what's exciting about this custom component is if I was to create a new page here, if we were to add that Rotate 360, literally all I would need to do is go to my properties, browse to a folder, let's choose the goggles. I should have paid attention. How many goggles are there? There's 23 goggles. Let's increase to 23, the total max number, and we now have ourselves a 360 of a pair of goggles. So that's some JavaScript code that's been created by a developer, now made incredibly easy for you to use. So we will be providing links to all of the documentation, but yeah, look forward.